Hey everyone, this is Yusuf Idris here, and I just wanted to show how I improved operations for CPC Logistics Canada. They're a logistics company based in Canada, which basically means that their main service is sending trucks across towns in Canada, and with that comes the loading and offloading of goods. So this is just their website, just to show you what it's all about, their mission and stuff. And I just wanted to talk about how I made those improvements for them. So one of the problems that logistics companies have is invoicing. You're sending a bunch of trucks to how many hundreds different of cities around Canada, and it's kind of hard to keep track of all that stuff. Not to mention when billing, what price do you bill for that? Also, how long the truck waited at the offloading section can play a factor into how much you bill them as well. There's late fees. There's a lot of different factors. So I just want to show you what I created using Excel. So over here in Excel, you can see I made a simple little table. In the table, this unit just counts the number. Description would be where the truck is going, the invoice number, the truck type, where there's a wait time, and there's any extra costs associated with that. These total, and there's a total right here that calculates all the price. It has hashtag value right now, but you're in for a surprise at the end. So I'll show you where I compiled all that data. I compiled it here in master data. So basically what I did was I took a bunch of different destinations. I only used 70, but you could do this for hundreds or even thousands. And I categorize it into the three different types of trucks that are mainly used, which are the small trucks, semi trucks, and double trucks. As you can see, they have different prices associated, and there's different prices associated with different cities as well. So let me give you an example of how this works. So let's say, for example, you're working with a different company. You're working with a company, let's say you're working with Apple, and they want you to send a bunch of iPhones from Mississauga, Ontario to Edmonton, Alberta. So what you could do is you go down, find Edmonton, and boom, there's a cost already. I have the default set to double, but let's say you set to semi, the price will automatically change as well. Set to small, price automatically changes as well. It's just a really efficient way to get all this stuff done. Let's say, for example, I put Calgary in here. Boom. There you have it. You know your price right away. And I'll just fill out the rest of the information. Just for example, to show you what it does. And I'll do the same here. Okay. Now you can see it automatically takes the total of each, calculates it, and gives it a total. This is the VAT number. It's a tax percentage, and then this is the net, the two of them together. And then I have this right here, which calculates the price of the arrangement. I should probably change that to CAD real quick. But basically it takes the number that's here and converts it into words, which is surprisingly helpful as well, not having to manually type that out. Okay, once that's all done, you want to copy your data and invoice it. So I've created a invoice sheet for them to use. This would be here. This is their company logo, CPC, just where they're located, phone number, and then they'll bill to whoever the person is. You'd write their name here. So company, and then the client's name. And yeah, you just fill in that information right here. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and this is how I improved operations for CPC Logistics Canada.